My name is Dr. Swaib and I'm working as a cardiologist at Massachusetts General Hospital. Today's topic of discussion is role of honey and Nagella stevia against COVID-19. COVID-19 is a global pandemic when we all have been suffering from this pandemic. And so basically, we devised honey and Nagella stevia, which has antimicrobial, antiviral, anti-inflammatory, modulatory properties. We use these two products against COVID-19. It has also shown anti-COVID properties as well in silico studies. So we was for in order to know the clinical efficacy, we devised a clinical trial in which we recruited moderate to severe COVID-19 patients in as a multi-center survey, and we included 313 patients for this the purpose of this study, and we given them 1 gram of honey and 80 mg of Nigella stevia per kg body weight in 2 to 3 divided doses over a period of 24 hours. And the results were quite alarming to us as well, that the honey and Nigella stevia patients were having a earlier viral load clearance, around half of it took around half time the difference in the moderate and as well as on the severe cases. If we have a look at the alleviation of symptoms, which was measured by the decrease in the symptoms, resolution of symptoms, it was also marked difference between honey and Nigella stevia group and placebo group, and same was the case with moderate and severe cases. If we have a look at the oxygen saturation was increased dramatically in honey and Nigella stevia. However, in the standard of care, it was not that much pronounced. As long as the honey and Nigella stevia also showed at 7 pointers score, that the patients progressively took a longer period of time in treatment for honey and Nigella without honey and Nigella stevia. So future goals and conclusion is to that we need to come up with an idea to use honey and Nigella stevia against COVID-19.